Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how sin²θ plus cos²θ is equal to 1. Solution: to prove this sin²θ plus cos²θ which is equal to 1, let's consider a right angle triangle. Consider right angle triangle as follows, and let's say this is A and this side is B, and this side the hypotenuse has length C, and also suppose this angle is equal to theta. So having this in mind, from Pythagoras theorem, from Pythagorean theorem, we know that this hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the other sides. So c square is equal to a square plus b square. In the next step, we have to divide both sides by c square. So c square divided by c square, which is equal to a square divided by b square plus, c square plus b square divided by c square. Then this c square cancelled by this one, which is equal to 1, which is equal to a square over c square plus b square over c square. And from rule of exponent, we know that a the power of n divided by b the power of n can be expressed as a over b the power of n. So by using this formula, this can be expressed as 1, which is equal to a divided by c the power of 2 plus b divided by c the power of 2. And having this expression from the definition of sine function, from the definition of sine function, we know that sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So according to our figure, the opposite for this angle is A and the hypotenuse is C. So this will be equal to A divided by C. And another cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, which is equal to, from this figure again, the adjacent is B and the hypotenuse is C, and this adjacent divided by hypotenuse will be B over C. So we have equation 1 here, and we have equation 2 here, and we have equation 3 here. So now simply we have to substitute equation 2 and 3 into equation 1. So equation 2 and 3 into equation 1. So 1, which is equal to a square a over c the whole square plus b over c the whole square. So we know that a divided by c is sin theta and b divided by c is cos theta. So simply substitute cos theta. So that's 1 is equal to a over c is sin theta the whole square plus cos theta the whole square. Now we have to know that sin theta the whole square is different from sin theta square, because this bracket represents the whole term here. So this will be sin²θ, but it is equal to sin²θ. So this will be finally 1, which is equal to sin² plus cos² theta. This is how this sin² and cos plus cos² is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks very much.